Hello everyone, my name is Jason Arnold and I have designed for you a website to educate about the need for and the ways that you can save your money for retirement in the future. So I have a main landing page with what is located on each of the other individual pages. I have a page here that explains why you should be saving your money with a few graphical representations of how money behaves in certain ways. I have another page with a table about the different retirement investment accounts available to most people, as well as descriptions on how those investment accounts are operated. I have a page that is about how to spend your money wisely. And then I have a page that is about me and why I feel the way I do about saving for retirement, as well as a contact form to get in touch with me. And then I have another page with further information on some more advanced procedures. And I have designed the page in such a way that if you were to view this on, say, a mobile device, let me see if I can flip this to work. If you go into mobile mode, the page is operated in much the same way, and it doesn't look too crazy. The page scales with mobile devices.